Hello guys, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for joining me. As I told you, moving a step ahead each day and expanding my knowledge and skills and sharing it with you guys. So something new again, starting from the beginning, very beginning again, how I got this thought. A few days ago, I was scrolling down and searching some videos, and I suddenly realized that there is no particular channel or maybe there might be channels, a news channel obviously, which gives you 1 to 2 news every week or every month, and there is no specific channel that gives you complete update and complete news regarding what's going on in the aviation. And today's time, one of the most affected industry in COVID-19 situation is the aviation industry, undoubtedly. Whenever I search something regarding an airline or an aviation, like whatever I type, I get something shocking or surprising every time I see the news. So my attempt through this channel is to make these news accessible and reachable to you guys anytime you want to feel like watching or getting some updates regarding aviation. This channel is there for you, one stop channel, nothing else, nowhere to go. I'll be posting 1 to 2 news every day. I'll try my best to do that, and you can watch it anytime you feel like. So let us begin with the first news that is highly being rumored, and that is British Airways suspending all of its operations. Like, yeah, that was one of the rumor that is highly, basically, I would say it's on the top of all the rumors that I'm hearing about aviation. And I got to know this through WhatsApp, and no doubt why I did not believe this, and cleared it through going to the best and the most trusted site to clear all this rumor, and that is the British Airways official website. There was no news about British Airways suspending its operation nowhere in the British official website. Why would anyone forward these messages until it's completely clear? There's no official news being spread by the British Airways family. The British Airways family is one of the most highly profitable the most highly profitable airline in the past 50 years, I would say. Although they are badly hit by this COVID-19 situation, I mean, which airline is not? But clearly, this frankly speaking to you guys, this doesn't give a insight that British Airways is suspending all the operations. This does not mean that completely. And moreover, I confirmed this news that British Airways is putting a halt on the flights from London Heathrow Airport to London City Airport. That's one thing that has been confirmed. And they're suspending the Club World's flight, which is basically a flight that goes from London Heathrow to London City Airport and then refuels itself and then has a transatlantic flight all the way to JFK. So this is one news that is confirmed. Basically, let me just explain you a little bit about what this Club World flight is. It's a small Airbus A318 plane with a small jet which has just 32 business class seats. That's it. So whenever you get a chance to go in this, it's like you sit on this plane in the Heathrow Airport and then you fly to the London City Airport. You get out of the plane, do the prior immigration even before arriving at the JFK. You get to do the immigration there itself in London, and the plane refuels itself. You sit on the plane again and you have a transatlantic flight to JFK. So this thing is basically at a halt right now, and this news is confirmed that they are going to suspend these flights from March to September. This is what I've heard, and this is confirmed. I've heard it from a lot of news, and I've seen a lot of posts as well. So I hope they resume this. I hope they resume this cross-Atlantic flight, because this is one of my dream to sit in that flight. I hope I get to do that once, and let's hope for the best. And one more thing that I have to share with you guys, maybe one of the reason why this rumor about British Airways suspending its flight and operation, all of its operation, is that British Airways is firing 350 pilots off its team and putting 300 other pilots on pool. These 300 pilots which are on pool have a chance to be in the British Airways team again, but not the 350 pilots. So the 350 pilots that do not have a chance mostly comprise of the Boeing 747 first officers. Boeing confirmed recently that they are putting an end to the era of Queen of the Skies, that is the Boeing 747. They are putting an end to it. It's really sad news. And being a fan of Boeing 747, I got a chance to sit in one of these, and it's an unbelievable experience, I would say. And they're putting an end to it after 50 years, I guess. That's they have basically ruled the skies for a long time. So yeah, that news is confirmed, and through this news, why British Airways is firing 350 pilots, mostly comprising of the 747, is this reason. And maybe this Boeing announced, I think 2 to 3 days ago, that the last Boeing 747, which is an order, will roll out of the Everett factory by 2022, most probably. So these are the two news that I have for you guys today. First thing that I would like to info from this is, please do not spread any kind of rumors about aviation. Confirm it through many various sources which are trusted, and you can actually rely on them. And if you find anything which is not true, just go on the official website. If you think any airline is putting up a rumor, or anybody who's putting up a rumor that these many job cuts are happening in this particular airline, or maybe in the aviation industry, this is going on in this airline, just go on their official website and you'll get to know everything what's going on there. And this is first thing that I want to say. Second, yes, there might be something that has led to this rumor being spread. I told you the reasons. Could be 350 job cuts, and could be other 300 pilots which are actually kept on pool. So these news may have led to the rumor, but yeah, this is completely wrong that British Airways is suspending all of its flights. This is something which I would say cannot happen. Like, how would it happen? They are the most profitable airlines. And that's what I have for you guys in today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you guys liked it. Please do comment if you want these news and rumors that I can actually clear it for you guys, and updates if you want more updates on any particular news that you might have heard. Do write it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel. It is my humble request. I'm trying my best to give you as good content as I can. So thank you so much for watching the video, and do not forget to go on the Instagram and follow me. Go on Facebook and follow me. The links are down in the description. And do not forget to share it with as many people as you can. I'll be there for your help every time, whenever you need me.